When you hold a bar of chocolate, think of its extraordinary journey. The cocoa beans spent months ripening under the tropical sun on a small family farm that sustains generations of cocoa growers. These precious beans were meticulously harvested and fermented by skilled hands at the community processing center. Once dried, these cocoa beans embarked on a remarkable voyage, traveling thousands of miles to reach the hands of expert chocolatiers. But the journey didn't end there. Before reaching your fingertips, this batch of chocolate was subjected to rigorous quality control, undergoing 3 rounds of taste tests and inspections to guarantee its excellence. Only the finest batches make it through this meticulous selection process. Now, as you savor this delectable bar of chocolate, remember that it has traveled 4,634 miles to be here, waiting for you to indulge in its rich history and complex flavor. Each bite is a testament to the dedication of the cocoa growers, the expertise of the chocolatiers, and the passion for excellence that brought this extraordinary treat to your hands. Enjoy and explore the world of chocolate, one delicious bite at a time. And if you stick with us till the end, we've got a mouth-watering bonus fact that you'll be eager to share at your next get-together. Bales full of cocoa beans, truly an incredible amount. It's not so well known, but the Port of Amsterdam is the world's largest chocolate port. That is, the largest port for the main ingredient of chocolate, cocoa. They unload about 30 million kilos of cocoa beans. This is what they look like. They already have a long history behind them and still have a long way to go before becoming chocolate. Who would think? This is the fruit of the cocoa bean? And these trees, they grow around the equator where it's warm and humid enough. Most cocoa beans come from African countries, Ivory Coast, Ghana, and Cameroon. And there, the first significant step in making chocolate takes place. Inside the cocoa fruit, there are about 30 to 40 seeds, the beans. Like with a passion fruit, the beans are in a kind of pulp. The fruits are emptied and the pulp is wrapped in banana leaves, undergoing 2 key processes, harnessing the power of oxygen. Sunlight and fresh air are traditionally used to drop the moisture content in beans below 7%, ending the fermentation and prepping them for shipping. After a rigorous inspection and bagging, beans are ready to be transported worldwide. Here they arrive, a whole ship full of cocoa beans. Most are harvested between October and March. Chocolate factories want to make chocolate all year round, so they are stored. Most of Europe's stock is stored in Amsterdam. From here, they go to Belgium, Germany, England, Switzerland. Did you know that Belgium is often called the chocolate capital of the world, boasting more than 2,000 chocolatiers and producing over 170,000 tons of the treat annually? Here, the cocoa beans arrive at the factory. Upon arrival at the processing facility, beans might be merged with others to achieve specific tastes. Alternatively, they could be kept distinct, known as single-origin chocolate. First, the beans undergo cleansing, followed by gentle roasting to enhance their flavor profile. The next phase, winnowing, separates the bean's outer shell from the nibs, the bean's core. These nibs are then finely milled to produce what's known as cocoa paste, which solidifies at room temperature. When subjected to intense pressure, this paste divides into cocoa powder and cocoa butter. Alternatively, the cocoa paste can be blended with added cocoa butter and sweeteners to craft chocolate. The initial steps involve mixing, grinding, and molding the selected ingredients. The components chosen vary based on the specific chocolate variety. Dark chocolate consists of cocoa paste, cocoa butter, and sugar. Introducing milk powder results in milk chocolate. Interestingly, white chocolate comprises cocoa butter, sugar, and milk powder, excluding the cocoa paste. Due to this omission, some purists don't categorize it as genuine chocolate. Conching is a meticulous procedure involving rolling, kneading, warming, and introducing air, using a device called a concha. The mixture is continuously stirred and heated. This step is pivotal in achieving a consistent, high-quality chocolate, determining its final taste and aroma. To adjust the fluidity, soy lecithin and extra cocoa butter might be integrated. The longer the chocolate undergoes conching, the creamier its texture becomes. Having crafted the final chocolate, it's now set for its concluding stage. For supply to chocolatiers, the chocolate is shaped into blocks or tiny pellets, commonly termed pistolas. This stage involves tempering, where the chocolate is gently warmed to a specific temperature. This procedure, doable by budding bakers or chocolate enthusiasts, ensures the chocolate's integrity. As cocoa butter reaches its stable state during tempering, the chocolate achieves its characteristic sheen, crispiness, and velvety texture. And there you have it. From tree to treat, the journey of chocolate is as rich and layered as its flavor. So, the next time you enjoy a piece, remember the art, science, and passion that brought it to you. The chocolate confectionery sector is a vital and evolving market, by $128 billion in worldwide retail sales. North America holds its position as the world's second largest market, just behind Western Europe. The quest for discovering new flavors remains a significant trend in North America, fueled by a robust tradition of commemorating celebrations of all scales. The forthcoming wave of innovation marries novel ingredients with chocolate to forge genuinely multifaceted texture. Elevating texture is swiftly becoming a prevailing trend for superior innovation within the realm of chocolate confectionery. The distinctive and irresistible attribute of chocolate melting in the mouth is now being merged with elements that are gooey, crispy, smooth, and crunchy. Significantly, chocolatiers are seizing this chance to offer truly novel and unprecedented sensory pleasures for their brands. Chocolate craft continues to develop as makers explore new ways to educate chocolate lovers in the special processes to cultivate and process cocoa and other key ingredients for our favorite treat. When these stories are put at the heart of innovation, consumers are willing to pay more for that guarantee of authenticity and quality. 52% of North American consumers agree that chocolate that has a unique story about where it came from, how it was made, is more premium. An increasing number of consumers in North America are actively exploring methods to regulate their consumption of sugar, a movement influenced significantly by lifestyle trends such as the keto and paleo diets. In response to this growing demand, chocolatiers are adapting by introducing sugar-free alternatives to their mainstay products and, over time, revamping their offerings to decrease the sugar content per serving. The concept of healthy indulgence is gaining momentum within the chocolate confectionery landscape. All over North America, a transformation is underway in the realm of chocolates and sweets, encapsulating a broad spectrum of health-related advantages. This includes chocolates enriched with vitamins and nutrients designed to bolster immunity, products purporting to offer physical and mental health benefits, and treats focused on promoting gut health. This evolution is giving rise to a novel array of health-oriented chocolates for consumers eager to explore the merging of indulgence and well-being. Globally, the U.S. stands at the forefront in identifying and embracing these innovative ventures. Are you ready for that promised bonus fact? Here it comes. Chocolate has been consumed for over 3,000 years. The ancient civilizations of the Aztecs and the Mayans drank chocolate in ceremonial rituals. The first forms of chocolate were very different from what we consume today. This drink was a frothy, bitter beverage made from roasted cacao beans mixed with water, spices, and sometimes honey. Join the conversation below. What surprised you the most? Tell us, what is your favorite chocolate? Drop them in the comments. And if you found this journey as fascinating as we did, hit like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Let's embark on more adventures together